Assalamu alaikum, this is Dr. Vakas. Welcome back to another video. This video is basically about how to apply for the skilled worker visa or health and care worker visa for your first NHS job. So, if you are an international medical graduate and you find the job, Alhamdulillah, and now you are planning to apply for the visa, so this video is for you. So, most of the people ask what type of visa we have to apply. So, basically, to answer this question, health and care worker visa and the skilled worker visa both are same. The type of visa which you need is depend upon the certificate of sponsorship. Whatever the visa which will be written on the certificate of sponsorship, that visa you will be applying for your first NHS job. So in this video I'll be specifically discussing about the apply for the skilled worker visa. So I'll be showing you step by step how to actually apply for it. I'll be covering in another video what are the documents which are required for the skilled worker visa. So just stay tuned to my channel and I will make a separate video regarding the documents for the skilled worker visa. So let's get back to the computer and let me show you how to actually apply for the skilled worker visa for your first NHS job. Okay, so first of all, what you need to do is you need to go to your browser and write government.uk. Click it and you will see the government.uk website. Open to the welcome to UK. When you open the website, you have to scroll down, go to visas and immigration. Okay, scroll down a little bit, go to work in the UK, and you can see there are two types of visa here: health and care worker and skilled worker visa. So click skilled worker visa. When you click the skilled worker visa, you can see the eligibility criteria for this visa, what are the things which are required for this visa, and then you can see apply for the visa. You can simply click start now. Where you planning to live? England. Okay, then do you have Europe or Swiss passport? No. Click continue. And which country you want to provide your biometrics? Click Pakistan, because I'm in Pakistan. Simply click and select next. Check the visa application center. Yes, it's showing the Pakistan. I have identified the location where I'll provide my biometrics. Select this option. Okay, so from here your application for skilled worker visa will be started, and you can see the apply now button. So first of all, you need to enter your registered email address. Write your email address, repeat your password for that email address, and then again repeat the password. So I'm writing the email password, repeat the password. Okay, save and continue. Okay, so the first question will be, what do you have COS? Yes, write the COS reference number. It will be written on the certificate of sponsorship. You have to copy paste it, write it correctly. Simply click save and next. Then you have to add your work start date. It will be also provided on your COS, and work end date. Okay, simply save and next. Then you have to identify your email address. Yeah, this is your email address. Save and continue. Okay, then do you have any additional email address? No. Your telephone number, add your telephone number for use in the UK or outside the UK, home telephone, whatever. Fill it according to your own specification. Okay, so I'm filling my details, my mobile phone telephone number, saving. Okay, do you have any other telephone number? If you have, you can add yes. Simply select either it's outside the UK, inside the UK. Do you have any other telephone number? No. Save and continue. Contact you, I can be contacted by telephone, call and text message. Yes, click this option. Save and next. Okay, your preferred contact number selected. Save and continue. Okay, so here you have to add your name, write your given name and your family name accurately, which is present in your documents. Click next. Do you have any other names? Click no. Save and next. Your sexual and relationship status: male, relationship status single. Save and next. Okay, so yeah, here you have to add your address where you're living at the moment. So add your address. Is this also your correspondence address? No. Okay, so if you have any other addresses, you can add those addresses here by simply selecting the option correspondence address. No. So correspondence address means where you are currently living at the moment, so you can put that address in here. So simply add your address and your previous address and simply select next, save and continue. Okay, so about this property, so you have to tell about your correspondence address, for how long you have been living here. For example, I've been living here for 20 years and 23 years. And also the ownership status, just select other and write the reason about the ownership of this house. Okay, so simply you have to add the reason and select save and continue. In the next segment, you have to provide your passport number, issuing authority, issuing date, end date, and simply click save and continue and add your passport details accurately. Okay, so after that, you have to provide your identity card details. Yes, I have identity card. You have to provide the identity card number, its issuing authority, expiry date, and simply the details present on the identity card. Click save and continue. After that, you have to provide your nationality details. Add the country of your nationality, your country of birth, your place of birth, Pakistan, country of birth Pakistan, place of birth Lahore, your date of birth, and you have to select save and continue. Okay, so the next question will be related to your nationality. Simply select, do you have any other nationality? No. And what language do you speak? English. And then he'll ask you about your English language assessment test. Have you cleared any language test? Yes, I have cleared the OET in the past. Click yes. Then he will ask you, have you provided the evidence of this English language test previously? Yes, I have applied it to the GMC. Click yes. Is it relevant to PhD? No, my job is not PhD. Do you have the details of your first parent? So here you have to provide the details of your mother and father, their name, their family name, their identity card details. Save and continue. Okay, so do you have any family in the UK? In my case, no. Okay, so if you have any family, click yes. Where you will be stay, I don't know where I'll be staying, so I will click no. So what are your plans in the UK? I'll simply write this line, save. Do you have any UK travel history? Yes, I do have. How many times you have been to the UK? Just once. Okay, so click one and save and continue. Okay, so the next question he will ask you about the previous visit. What was the reason? Click other and write, I came to take my PLAB exam. Then write the date you enter, how long you lived. Click save and next. Do you receive any medical treatment in the UK? No. Do you have any UK leave to remain? No. Do you have a national insurance number? No. Save and continue. The next question is, do you have any driving license in the UK? No. Okay, so have you received any public funds? No. Have you traveled to any of these countries? If you have, just select it according to your answer. 0 time, I haven't traveled to anywhere. Save and continue. Your world travel history, have you been to any other country in the past 10 years? Your planned travel information, here you have to write the date you are planning to enter into the UK for your first NHS job. So it will be probably 15 days prior to your start date. So in my case, I'll write 1. It doesn't matter. So the next question is your immigration history. Have you ever been have any of the following? Just select next. Have you ever breached UK immigration law? No. Do you have any convictions? So these are the generic questions you have to answer according to you. So no, I have never had any of these. Do you have must read all of the information in the page? No, I've never involved in war crimes. So you have to read everything, then select the option, save and continue. Have you been involved in terrorist activities? No. Terrorist organizations? No. So simply read it thoroughly and select it. Okay, I have read the information, save and continue. Have you ever been a part of any extremist organization? No. No, I have read all the information and including the guidance as well. Yes, save and continue. So the next question is person of good character. Have you, as a part of your employment, undertake paid or unpaid activity on behalf of non-UK? So simply read it and select no, no, no. So these are basically the convictions and general questions they will ask you. Okay, your employment history. Have you ever been a part of these organization? Institute, media? No, I've never been a part of these organizations. Just okay. So the next thing is sponsor license number. This number will be provided on your COS. Open your COS, just copy paste the number. Okay, so the next question is about the maintenance. In my case, my sponsor was certifying the maintenance. I will simply select the yes. If that is not the case with you, you have to confirm it with your trust. But I will explain this in details in my next video. Next question is your planned employments in the UK. So you have to simply select the title of your job and your salary. Select save and next. Overseas criminal record check. Yes, you have to provide the police character certificate from the country. Yes, simply select yes. Profession requiring overseas criminal record check, yes, NHS requires that. Then you have to write the name of the country where you have been living for the past 12 months. I'll simply write Pakistan. Can you provide criminal record certificate? Yes, I can provide that. Select click save and next. Okay, the next question is, any other countries have you been present in the last 12 months? No, I have never been to any countries apart from Pakistan. Health and care visa. As your sponsor or employer confirm that you are eligible for health and care visa, it will be written on the COS. Just select the COS, select yes. Okay, so the next thing will be the standard occupation classification, the SOC code. This code will be present on your COS. Just go through your COS, select the code and simply put it here, click save and continue. So are you applying as a midwife? No. So are you in immigration salary list? You can confirm it from your trust, or you can check it on your COS. It will be written there. In my case, it was written that my job was on the immigration salary list, so I'll simply select yes option. So you can also check from the list down there what is the immigration salary list. So simply select yes or no according to your answers. Save and continue. Are you in the ATAS scheme? No. Simply select it. Additional information. So in this information you have to provide the details additionally. Okay, in my case I will provide that I'm qualified doctor, my GMC number is this, and I'm going to UK for my first job. So after that you can see your application have been submitted correctly, and you have to select and check all the information before paying the fee. So this is all the information which I have provided. I'm just about to check it again. Then save and continue. You will see here mandatory documents. What are the mandatory documents? The passport, your criminal record certificate, your TB test. So these are the 3 mandatory documents. I will discuss the documents in my next video. Just stay tuned to my channel. I'll be making a separate video regarding documents for skilled worker visa. Save and continue. On the next page, if you stay in the UK without permission, just select I confirm that I accept. And then the declaration, I confirm that I'm the applicant age 18 or over, and then I accept this above. Select check your answers again and continue. Okay, so after that you use the service, standard service. If the fee for that will be 1,03,453. In my case, save and continue your payment. So you have to pay the payment now. Continue to the world pay, add your details of your bank card, and then you will pay for the visa simply in this way. Payment successful. You can print the confirmation, or they will send it to your email address as well. So this is how you apply for the skilled worker visa. You can check the email here that your visa application payment confirmation and your application has been submitted. So the next part is save and continue. Further action, you have to download the checklist, you have to book the TB test, you have to make an arrangements for providing the biometrics, and you have to download the copy of your application form. So these are the 4 things which you will be doing in this page. I'll be telling you more about the documents in my next video. So this is how you apply for the skilled worker visa. I hope you guys have understood the process. It's very easy and simple. If you still have any queries, you can put down in the comment section, and stay tuned for the upcoming video which will be the documents required for the skilled worker visa. So inshallah, we'll see you in another video.